I will be showing you how to tie-dye a t-shirt. First, we are going to put on our gloves. And then we're going to make sure our shirt is wet. And then we're going to fill our bottles of dye with water. And then we're going to do the spiral. So you're going to take the middle of the shirt and then twist it. So the whole shirt is twisted. Then you're going to take some of your rubber bands and wrap the rubber bands around the shirt. Okay, I used 4 rubber bands to give 8 sections. Okay, and then you're going to put the dye alternating colors in your section. So I'm going to do red, and then blue, and then red, and blue, and then red, and then blue. And then you're going to flip the shirt over and put the dye on the same color on the section. So here I used blue. So I'm going to put blue here. That's red. Here. And then blue. And then red. And then blue. And red. And then blue. Okay. And then you're going to let your shirt sit like this overnight, and then you're going to take out the rubber bands and rinse it out and wash it.